the results can be extraordinary. Qatar is committed to that idea and growing its potential. It has a partner, investor, and innovator with possibilities that are unlimited and rewards that are priceless. Let the world play and become part of our story.
From Holiday Hills, Illinois to Rudolph, Wisconsin. From Santa Claus, Indiana to Snowflake, Arizona. From Garland, Texas to North Pole, New York. And everywhere in between. We're holiday ready with fast and reliable delivery serving every address in America. The United States Postal Service.
You need new replacement windows, but you're just not sure if they're in the budget this year, right? I'm Ryan Gary here with Ted Coons from Renewable Anderson, and he's here to talk about how to make window replacement more affordable.